Lowcountry leaders say South Carolina is at a tipping point as case numbers and hospitalizations continue to rise. State Senator Marlin Kimpson warns that ICU beds could run out as early as October as Lowcountry hospitals are approaching capacity. News 2's Riley Benson joins us live from MUSC in downtown Charleston. Riley, leaders are urging following mask ordinances and safety guidelines.
Brendan, that's right. Health officials say as hospitalization rates rise, the need for beds is rising as well. They say they're faced with deciding who needs treatment the most and who to send home. Officials warn if safety guidelines aren't followed, things will only get worse.
Of all the viruses that I have studied in my career, many decades, this is the only one that has truly scared me.
State leaders and health officials agree the state and county are at a watershed moment.
If South Carolina were a country, it would be experiencing the third worst COVID-19 outbreak in the world.
But we are at a point right now where we are looking at the massive patients that we have to take care of and trying to make hard decisions about who can go home safely and who can stay in the hospital.
The governor ending alcohol sales at 11 p.m. beginning tomorrow. State Senator Marlin Kimpson says that should just be the start.
I would certainly close the bars and also consider closing indoor dining.
Young adults ages 21 to 30 is the group seeing the highest increase in new cases, some unaware of the infection.
20 to 40% of people infected with coronavirus have no symptoms. They are asymptomatic, but they can still spew virus.
An end goal of resuming normal life that Senator Kimpson says happens only if guidelines are strictly followed.
Until we flatten the curve and spread and control the spread, we cannot possibly talk about resuming business and returning to normal.
Health officials say case numbers in Charleston are doubling about every 9 days. They also say the hospitalization rate in Charleston is much higher than other parts of South Carolina. Live in downtown Charleston, Riley Benson, Count on 2.